In this example, we'll look at what happens when we start with a compound unit or a unit where there's some relationship between units. A car is going 55 miles per hour. What is the speed in feet per minute? The units for the answer is a relationship between feet and minutes. Therefore, I need to start my setup with a relationship between two units of distance over time. I'm going to start with 55 miles per hour, and what I'm going to do is focus on the miles first. I'm going to pretend that hours isn't even there. We're only going to look at getting miles to feet first. Then we'll deal with the denominator. So we put up our fraction. We know that miles has to go on the bottom because we want that to cancel out, and we can put feet on top. So we put in our numbers and we cancel out our units. If I were to stop the problem right here, I would have units of feet per hour. And we see that we're closer to what we want for our answer of feet per minute, but not exactly there. So I need to keep going. So I have my distance converted from miles to feet. So now I'm going to go back and look at the time. I have hours in the denominator. So I'm now going to set up the fraction, but hours is going to go in the numerator because it's in the denominator in the original step. I need to have it in the denominator so they'll cancel out. And I know a relationship between hours and minutes, so I can put in those numbers. Then I can cancel hours with hours. Now when I look at what units are left, I see I've got feet per minute. When I do the math, I get 4,840 feet per minute. And I need to round that to the correct number of sig figs. So I see 2 sig figs up in 55. My other numbers that I used in the problem are all exact numbers because they're a set relationship or definition. So now I can convert this into scientific notation with 2 sig figs to 4.8 times 10 to the third feet per minute. Whenever you're doing a problem where you have a unit with a relationship in it, miles per hour, feet per minute, days per week, whatever it's going to be, always focus on one unit at a time. You can start with the numerator, you can start with the denominator, it doesn't matter. I start with the numerator for the sole reason that it's in the numerator. Worry about converting that unit and then go back and do the other. You can still do it all as one problem, but just focus on one unit at a time.